At the Paris Air Show 2015, Embraer announced a total of 50 new firm orders from 4 customers. Colorful Guizhou from China has ordered 7 E190s, with an option for an additional 10 more. U.S. carrier SkyWest has ordered 8 E175 jets to fly for Alaska Airlines, while United Airlines, also from the U.S., ordered 10 E175 aircraft, with an option for 18 more of the same model. The leasing company Air Castle Limited joined the E-Jets E2 family, ordering 15 E190 E2s and 10 E195 E2s, with the same amount of purchase rights for the 2 models. The E2 drew the public's attention at the Paris Air Show, with a mock-up model of its cabin shown in the static display.
We have announced important orders, about 50 aircraft firm, $2.6 billion in terms of a dollar amount. We are facing a very good momentum, I'd say, so on both E1s and also E2s, and we continue to see a very strong demand for this type of jets. I believe airlines are more and more identifying new opportunities for these aircraft, and also identify opportunities to make more money.
The airlines are voting with their checkbooks. We've got their support, we've got momentum, because we've got the best product and we're delivering it on a constant basis. Dispatch reliability around the world, 99.3%. That speaks to the capabilities of our after-sales support.
We found airlines, as they try and optimize their fleets, are seeing that this is an aircraft type that they need. And we're seeing the feedback that they get from the manufacturer and the support. So from a leasing perspective, it's a very good aircraft to own, and from an airline perspective, it creates profitability.
Helvetic Airways, we are always strong in the 100-seat segment, so there is not a lot of choice, and I think Embraer, it's a state-of-the-art aircraft, very economic, good design, and as well the passenger feedback is very good.
We love Embraer's proactive approach to solving problems. They're a great partner. They build great airplanes, and with that combination, we're very happy to add more Embraer 175s to our fleet.
Extremely high quality product with extremely good economics and a support team that is our partner, who is always honest with us, and we know we can believe them and trust them in any circumstance.
Together, I think we've created something great in terms of us teaching Embraer what a lessor may expect in terms of support for us transitioning aircraft, lead times, and that has really, I guess, come from the commercial side, but I would say that today the support that we get from on the technical side is just as strong, if not stronger, than on the commercial side. So it's taken some time, in all honesty, but we're quite happy with the way it's turned out.
It's not an aircraft that we deliver, but it's a solution, a complete solution of 8 different services that, by the way, everyone delivers these MRO services, material, technical services, but how you do it. And I think that's what it matters, because that one makes a difference, is how do you bring the support to your customer. It needs to be close to it, it needs to be flexible, but it needs to be global. And that's what we've been learning over the last 20 years.
The E-Jet's E2 is much more than a re-engine. It's very important to notice that. So on top of state-of-the-art GTF Pratt & Whitney engines, we are investing more. So we'll have brand new state-of-the-art wings, so new wings, full fly-by-wire systems, and other innovations that will allow us to offer the E2 with up to 24% less fuel burn than the current family on a per seat basis, and between 15 to 25 lower maintenance costs. So the second generation E-Jets will provide a big improvement in the economics as compared to the current airplane.
When you look at the new generation of narrow bodies at the 737 MAX, the A320 family, their smaller variants haven't sold very well so far. And so maybe there's an opportunity set to expand there with the 195.
The first flight shall happen in the second half of next year for an entry into service in the first half 2018. This is for the 190E2, which is the first family member to be radiated, followed by the 195 1 year later and the 175 the following year.